To buy official Ray Lewis token. So this token came under the symbol of fate. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert for investing in any project that you find on my channel. Please do your research. And also, there is a few links down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. With the best referral code, simply use the codes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Direct account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinJust. Go and find it there. So able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana network. Open your Phantom wallet for that to be able to buy it. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here. Paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Type here how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, but make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page, so it's a slippage from here, or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Fate token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.